Hello, my name is Rob Mammone and I'm the ECS Product Specialist for igus Inc. North America. I'd like to welcome you to our virtual trade show booth here in Rumford, Rhode Island. And today I'd like to talk to you about our triflex R product line and our solutions for robotic applications. Triflex R was designed to help manage cables from the first axis all the way through the seventh axis on all types of robots. The first example that I have here is our universal robot. We're managing the cable from the base of the robot to the end of arm. As you can see, there's a wide range of motion with this universal robot, and the idea is to protect that cable throughout the entirety of the program. On the other side, we have our FANUC robot with a full dress pack system. We're even managing the first axis with our twister chain. Twister chain has the ability to rotate 360 degrees around the robot to help manage that cable at the first axis. The idea is to protect the cables through all 1 through 6 axes and including even the 7th axis, also known as the slide. If you'd like to learn more information about our triflex R product line or take a more in-depth tour of our virtual booth, please send a message to the email below. Again, my name is Rob Mammone and thank you very much for your time.